Thailand weather alert, heavy rains and strong winds expected, September 21st to 23rd, 2024. Weather warning update for the 21st of September, 2024. Thailand is set to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall with strong winds and high waves along the Andaman Sea and the upper Gulf of Thailand. From 21st to the 23rd of September, the strong monsoon trough stretches across the north, central, and northeast regions, while the downgraded tropical depression Soulik will affect the upper northeast and lower northern regions. The robust southwest monsoon remains active over the Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the Gulf. Expect widespread heavy rainfall across the country, with very heavy rains in some areas, particularly in the north, northeast, central, including Bangkok and surrounding areas, and the east. Residents in these regions should be cautious of flash floods and water overflows, especially in lowland areas and near foothills. Affected areas. The 21st of September, 2024. North, Mae Hong Son, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Lamphun, Lampang, Phai Yau, Nan, Phrae, Uttaradit, Tak, Sukhothai, Kampong Phet, Phishit, Phitsanulok, Phetchabun. Northeast, Loei, Nong Khai, Bueng Khan, Nong Bua Lamphu, Udon Thoni, Sarkan Nakan, Chayafam, Kon Keen, Nakan Rechasima. Central, Nakan Sawan, Utai Thoni, Chainat, Lopburi, Saraburi, Kanchanaburi, Ratchaburi, Phra Nakan Sai Ayutthaya, Bangkok and its vicinity. East, Nakan Naok, Prashinburi, Sa Keo, Chakoeng Se, Konburi, Rayong, Chanthaburi, Trat. South, Ranong, Phang No, Phuket, Krabi. The 22nd of September, 2024. Same regions as on 21st, with added areas in the northeast, Kalasin, Mukdahan, Mohar Sarakam, Aoiit, Yasathan, Amnat Charawan, Beriram, Surin, Sisikit, Ubon Ratchathani, and parts of central and eastern Thailand. The 23rd of September, 2024. Continued heavy rain in similar areas, including strong winds and large waves in the Andaman Sea and the upper Gulf. Wind and wave warnings. Andaman Sea and upper Gulf, waves 2 to 3 meters high, exceeding 3 meters in stormy conditions. Lower Gulf, waves of around 2 meters, with higher waves offshore. Small boats should remain ashore, and caution is advised for larger vessels in storm-prone areas. Residents and authorities in affected regions should stay updated on the situation, avoid risky areas, and be prepared for possible evacuations if conditions worsen. Thank you for being with us today. If you'd like to stay informed on the latest weather updates, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay dry, stay safe, and don't forget to check for any travel updates. Have a fantastic day.